Jio 5G service is now available in India and Reliance Jio is initially rolling it out in select cities. The telecom company has officially announced that Jio 5G will be rolled out in 4 cities starting today. Reliance Jio has announced a Jio 5G welcome offer on the occasion of Dussehra. It has even revealed details on how Jio 5G is accessible in India along with list of the cities that will get 5G network and other key details. Here's everything you need to know. Let us understand what this Jio 5G welcome offer announced is. The company has launched a Jio 5G welcome offer, which is basically an invitation. Reliance Jio will randomly send an invite to customers and not everyone will get it. But why is Jio doing this? This is just a beta test, which is why Reliance Jio is opting for the invitation system. Once everything goes smoothly, the 5G network will likely be made available to everyone. The company will be sending a notification with a Jio 5G welcome offer message to those who are eligible for this, after which they will be able to access 5G. Next question coming to people's mind would be, is there any other way to access Jio 5G service in India? Well, the answer is as of now there is no way to get an invitation from anywhere and customers will be randomly selected by the company. Jio also asserted that those who will get exclusive access to 5G services will get notified via SMS and other platforms. Let us now look at cities where Jio 5G is being launched as of now. Since this is just a beta test and not a commercial launch, Reliance Jio is offering 5G in only 4 cities. The Jio 5G service is now available in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, and Varanasi. The telco has plans to spread it more cities in the coming months. The users will continue to avail of this beta trial until the network coverage of a city is substantially complete to provide the best coverage and user experience for every customer, the company said. Reliance Industries chairman Mukesh Ambani has promised to offer 5G service in every corner of India by December 2023. Now let us look at the next question users might be having, whether we need to buy a new SIM for Jio 5G. Well, the answer is no, you don't need to do that. Reliance Jio has confirmed that customers don't need to change their existing Jio SIM or 5G handset to access the latest and fastest network in India. Another question that might be coming to people's mind is, what about Jio 5G plan prices? Reliance Jio is yet to announce 5G Jio plan prices in India. But Ambani has announced that Jio 5G plans will be available to users at the lowest prices compared to any telecom in the world.